Hi everyone, this is Edie from Edie's Crafts and Things. Today we're going to be talking about how to do increases and decreases. So you can do things like this beautiful chevron blanket or shawls that require increases. So make sure that you grab your hook, your yarn, and let's get started. Hi, welcome back. Again, today we're just going to be touching on one of these simple techniques of just increase and decrease. And I'll see if I can actually show you how to make your own pattern for something like this if you don't want to follow a pattern. But you will find nowadays, especially like on Ravelry or Pinterest, a lot of very beautiful designs that have those increases and decreases. So this will come in very handy for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some yarn here. And with something like this blanket, you'll see that it's gonna be a lot of repeats. So whenever you're looking at how many repeats you've got, you're gonna be counting from peak to peak. Now, keeping in mind that those little peaks, that's where you're increasing. So instead of having like just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, you're gonna be adding an extra 2 stitches here, at least, like that. So you'll see that there's gonna be 2 double crochets right there, and there's gonna be 2 chains. So you're gonna add those 2 double crochet and 1 chain, however many double crochets you want in between your decreases and your increases. Now, it's usually pretty simple how to do a decrease, and it doesn't have to necessarily be on something like that. You can do it in a shawl as well. But for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with, I think it was 19 chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, I'm not 100% sure of that count, but I will post on the description if you wanted to try something like that blanket, what the count is for each repeat, so that if you want to try this on your own, you can do so. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and do a double crochet, and we need to leave a chain space. So from here, we're going to leave the 1 chain, and then we're going to go into the 4th chain after that. So 5 from your hook total. Come on. Slippery today. There we go. And then we're gonna do a 2nd double crochet into the same stitch. That is how you increase. Now in a chevron blanket, again, this is gonna be the one that's gonna be going up. From here, we're gonna do maybe about 4 double crochets, and then we'll do our decrease. Okay. Now with the decrease, that one is quite simple actually. So what's going to happen, you're going to start your double crochet, but you're not going to finish it. So you're going to do yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're going to do a yarn over, and then we're going to go to the next stitch. Yarn over, pull the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And now that you have those 3 loops, we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. let's do that again. I'm going to skip 2 chain, 1 chain. I'm going to go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then I'm going to start the second double crochet, so yarn over, and then go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 3. So what this does is that it's going to make 2 stitches into a 1 stitch for your decrease. So you've taken 2 stitches on the bottom and you turned it into 1 stitch at the top. And then with your increase, you've turned 1 stitch at the bottom into 2 stitches at the top. With your increases and even your decreases, you can do a lot more than just reducing by 1 or increasing by 1. You can add more onto the same stitch, and you can try reducing a lot more than just those 2 stitches. But the technique is the same, where you just don't finish, you don't close your double crochet, and you just keep making double crochets that are unfinished and then pull through all the loops that you've created. Or you can increase, and that one you would close every single double crochet that you add onto your stitch. So with your increases, if you were to just increase, that's where you end up having just a circle like this. This one is just with a single crochet, but this one I started with 6 single crochets, and then on each of those double crochets I put, single crochets, I put 2 single crochets, increasing it to 12. And then you can keep increasing periodically to just end up getting a nice little circle. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. So I hope that that was nice and clear. If you have any questions about this, or where you'd be able to utilize your increases or decreases, feel free to post your questions on the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel for more useful tips, techniques, tutorials, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.